Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a civil engineer, choosing the perfect laptop is a big deal. Your laptop is your tool, your office, your everything. But what if I told you there's a mistake that many of us make when buying a laptop, and I made it too? Have you ever found yourself halfway through an important project, and suddenly your software slows down or crashes? It's frustrating, right? That's exactly why it's crucial to pick the right laptop not just for today, but for the future. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to choose the perfect laptop for a civil engineer. Plus, stick around because I'll also be sharing a personal mistake I made when buying mine that you should definitely avoid. Alright, let's talk about the important things you should check before buying a laptop. Here are the top 10 features you need to know. First, the laptop's brain, called the CPU. You need a super strong brain to think fast, like an Intel Core i7 or i9, or an AMD Ryzen 7 or 9. These help you run programs like AutoCAD and Revit smoothly. Next is RAM, the laptop's memory. Imagine you have a big toy box. The bigger the box, the more toys you can play with at the same time. You need at least 16 gigabytes of RAM to keep all your programs running smoothly without any slowdown. 3. Graphics card. A good laptop for engineers needs a strong graphics card, or GPU, to make pictures and designs look awesome. If you want smooth 3D modeling or rendering, you need a dedicated GPU like NVIDIA or AMD. 4. Storage. Storage is like the bookshelf where your laptop keeps all its stuff. An SSD is a super fast shelf, and you need at least 512 gigabytes to keep your files safe and make the laptop run faster. 5. Display. You also need a really good screen to see your designs clearly. A high-resolution screen, like Full HD or 4K, will help you see every little detail of your projects. 6. Battery life. When you're working on site or outside, you don't want your laptop to die too soon. A long-lasting battery is super important so your laptop can keep running without needing to charge every few hours. 7. Durability. Engineering work can get messy, and your laptop might need to travel with you. Make sure to get a laptop with a tough, strong body so it can handle being bumped around a bit. 8. Portability. Laptops for engineers need to be light and easy to carry. You don't want something too heavy when you're going from place to place. Pick one that's lightweight so it's easy to take with you. 9. Connectivity. You will probably need to connect things like a mouse, a projector, or extra screens. Make sure your laptop has lots of ports, like USB and HDMI, so you can plug in everything you need. 10. Upgradability. Finally, pick a laptop that you can upgrade later. That means you can add more memory or storage when you need it, so your laptop stays good for many years. Have you already picked out a laptop, or are you still searching? Let me know in the comments below which laptops you're considering. Now, speaking of future-proofing, this is where I went wrong when I bought my laptop. So, back in 2021, I thought I was smart. I looked at the system requirements for AutoCAD and BIM software, and I bought a laptop that handled everything perfectly at that time. But fast forward to 2024, and I'm stuck. The new versions of AutoCAD, Revit, and Photoshop don't run smoothly on my laptop anymore. What I didn't realize is that software updates are constant, and they often demand more power, whether it's a better graphics card, more RAM, or higher storage. My laptop couldn't keep up because I didn't plan for the future. So, if there's one thing I'd do differently, it would be to future-proof my purchase. Don't just buy a laptop for today's needs, buy it with the next 3 to 5 years in mind. So my advice to you is this: don't make the mistake I made. Look beyond the specs you need right now, and make sure your laptop will handle the demands of future updates to AutoCAD, Revit, and any other tools you might use. Do you have any laptop horror stories? Or any tips you'd like to share? Let's chat about it in the comments. And if this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.